entertaining driver, whose luck was certainly not in 1991, was Cheshire's Rob Gibson.
We started in Portugal, the first European event, and Matt Varek, the big Audi, hit me straight in the side and come through the passenger window. We had to come back to England, have a quick repair. It took us approximately a week. In Austria, straight off the line on the first left-hand corner, Christopherson pushed me into the tyre walls, which was a big concrete block in the middle of it. And we launched off that. It shoved the car back approximately 6 inches, but we launched off that, ran it straight up in the air and took every corner of the car off. After that, we had a quick rebuild. We straightened the shell as best we could and went on to the next European. But another bad one in Ireland, we come off the start line. The first right-hand bend there, which is a bit of a blind one, I was behind Martin. We took the corner directly behind Martin, and Christopherson was out of control. His throttle stuck wide open. They come straight into the side of me at full bore sort of thing. That was the European season done, which was quite a bad one for me, but we did well in the end. We come 5th. And then we went to a Masters event in the middle of the season in Switzerland. It was quite a good event, good track, but coming round to the start-finish line, we got a bit too much power on, made a mistake. We hit the arm coat pretty hard. And what made it worse, all the arm coat fell apart. We got entangled in it, which took the side of the car out. The old shell after the 91 European ended, we had to rebuild it. Well, we had a new shell ready to rebuild, and that's what we've been doing over the winter months. We put a new shell on, we've done a lot of modifications to the engine, suspension. There's been 3 of us on it for a constant 6 weeks, but it's taken us about 3 months on and off. That's with me doing the engine and the mechanics and painter doing the bodywork, so it's taken us roughly 3 months of hard work.